Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, welcome to another video. So the video today I'm doing is going to be a little different from what I normally do. I am talking to those of you out there who want to buy a house. That's right. For those of you out there who want to buy a house, maybe you've been saving money or you haven't been saving money and you've just been wondering, how are we going to be able to buy this first home, second home, or whatever home it is? I don't care if you've already bought 10 homes, but now you feel like you're in a position to buy another home. Well, I'm about to give you guys a couple of really good tips and where you can go to get the money. Okay, first and foremost, nobody likes bringing money to the table. Well, I shouldn't say nobody. Some people like bringing money to the table because it lowers your payments. This is correct. But sometimes you're just in a position where, you know what? I don't care if I pay a little bit more. So long as I don't have to bring anything to the table, hey, that's better for me. Well, if that's you, then I am talking to you. Here it is. Navy Federal. That's right. Navy Federal has a program for you. It is called the People's Choice, and it is 100% financing. Now, I'm not getting paid anything for this. I'm just here to try to help you guys. So if you are fortunate enough to be with Navy Fed, if you're not, you need to figure out a way to get into Navy Fed because they have a product that's 100%. And I do mean 100%. I actually called them on the phone and I went through a scenario and I was like, hey, I was wondering, do you guys do 100% financing on jumbo loans? And for those out there who are not in the know, jumbo loans are like typically things that are over 400 and something thousand, 450,000 or whatnot. And to my amazement, Navy Fed said, well, yes, you can still use the People's Choice on a jumbo loan. She said, now, there is a 1.75 funder's fee, which is basically at 450,000. That's roughly about $8,000. And she said, would you like to bring that to the close? And then she said, well, wait a minute. You said you wanted 100% finance. We could just roll that in. I was like, wow, you can just roll the 1.75% funder's fee? She said, yep, we can do that. So that way you come to the table. You don't have to bring anything. I was like, wow. So basically I just show up, sign some documents, and the owner of the house hands me over the keys because now I'm the new owner and Navy Fed just funded everything. Now I'm going to tell you guys another cool little secret. Navy Fed will also allow you to go into their little network and they will provide you with a realtor to where you can actually get some cash out of the deal. But I'll tell you this, don't do that. This is what you do for that. What you need to do is you need to find yourself a buyer's broker. That's someone who represents you. And what you do is you dictate the terms. So let's say you're buying a house, let's say $200,000. And we're going to say that which there are not going to be no 10 points, but 10 points is easy math. So we're going to say you're buying a house for $200,000 and there is 10 points to the buyer's broker. Now, what you could do is you could say, hey, Mr. Buyer's Broker, hey, man, I found the deal. I'm doing everything myself. All I really need for you to do is just submit my offer. But I can't let you walk away with $20,000. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you $4,000 because you're my broker, and I need for you to cash me back the rest of that money, the $16,000, because it's my house. So you get that commission. That is one thing you guys need to always be thinking about. Trying to put some bread in your pockets, and this is one way. So if you don't take anything else from this video, just remember, if you're buying a house and you have a broker that's representing you, you better ask him for some money or her. Let me be politically correct here. I don't like being politically correct, but ask him or her, hey, I'm going to need some of that money. I'm going to need that money. You can take 1%. I'm going to take 3% or 2%. So give them 1%. You take the other 2%, put that money in your pockets, and that way you got paid at your own closing. Ultimately, you are the one that's going to pay all this money back because it's really part of the deal. So whatever you finance, it's in there. So why would you let this person walk around with your money when you could take that money yourself and put that right in your pockets, buy yourself, I don't know, but depending on how much house it is, you could be talking about $6,000, $8,000, $12,000. What could you do with $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $10,000, $12,000? That's right. I'm sure you can find something to do with that, just like the broker can. All right, guys, I hope you like this video, but give Navy Fed a shout out if you're looking for a home loan and you need 100% financing. Of course, you are going to need good credit. Your credit's got to be on point. So I'll leave a link down in the description of some of my other videos, my older videos. They still ring true to this day. Hutton Chase, My Jewelers Club, all those good places where you can start building your credit. And if you have blemishes, hey, there's always the library, there's companies out there, and then there's us. There's Rapid Delete. And I'll leave a link down in the description to that webpage. But hey, it's not that hard, guys, and the money is flowing. It is so good out here, I promise you. All right, until the next video, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out.
Peace.